Hey dog, how you doing? Are you a good dog? Is that your Ruby?
Yeah, I killed her. I killed her.
You killed her?
Yeah. No. He's going away.
Uh-oh.
He's gonna
Ruby, come here. Sit. That's down, Ruby. Good dog.
I killed Murphy.
Uh-oh. Ruby, come here. Come on. Come here, Ruby. Here, you're such a good dog. Hey, Ruby, come here. Uh-oh, what happened here? What happened, Ruby? Ruby, what happened? Are you guilty? Are you guilty? Ruby, what happened? What is that? What is that? Ruby, what is that? What is this? Who did that? Oh, you guilty little puppy. Who did this? We have a pretty awesome dog, but we do not have our cage with us. So the one day, we decided to leave her in the bathroom. It's kind of like a cage. Well, this door is so cheap that by the time we came home, she decided that this was really good chewing material, because this is just cardboard, really. I mean, normally you have cardboard inside, but there is not a piece of wood inside of this door. So we decided to go to Home Depot, buy another door, and today we're gonna try to fix it. So this is the easy way to do it. You take the new door, put the old door on top of it, make a line, how much we're gonna cut off. Just gonna cut off, we're gonna fix it a little bit inside. I'll show you exactly what it looks like. And put it in. I'm just marking where the hole is so I could drill the same one. This is your new door. It's exactly the same way inside. Just about any interior doors, they're gonna have the cardboard inside just to give it a little, but it has wood, so I have to take this piece out and put it inside there, glue it in, and it's gonna be ready to go. A little bit of liquid nails, and I got the tube that you can squeeze it, and we're just gonna put this inside here to finish up the bottom of the door, and it will give it a little bit of a structure. Alright, so I picked up this little tool for cutting out the hole for the doorknob. And I picked up a new lock because the original that came with it, it was basically a closet knob that didn't have a lock. I guess you don't need to lock your door if you're in an RV. That's not the case with us, so we gotta change it. So you just put this thing in place. Comes with this little drill bit. To make it a little bit more accurate, we're just gonna flip it over. So we have our holes. pull this out. And this doesn't quite fit. Okay, and then we just put this new lock in here. Alright, so this is it.
You ride a bike? So, he's gonna ride a bike and
Think that's gonna work.
We just pulled over because we saw horses, and I guess you can go horseback riding on the beach, but it was $130. We were a little too cheap to do that. But it was awesome. I mean, think about it. How often do you get to ride horses on the beach? Back in Anna Maria, and we're gonna go get some donuts.
from Experiment Donuts.
We've been here 2 times and we haven't got donuts yet, so how dare we? So we're going right now to get them before we go on the beach. Donut review. Is it worth the calories?
I suppose, because I'm still eating. Can't stop.
I have had better ones. Cake donuts are not my favorite. I do prefer yeast donuts.
But on the other side, they're freshly made in front of you and dipped in chocolate, so they're literally made in front of your eyes and they're still warm. Really, really good. Sugar. Yummy.
We just got to our favorite beach in the world, and it's Anna Maria. We absolutely love this place. And today it's a little chilly. I think it's in the 60s, and we came just to fish because this is absolutely best fishing spot in the whole world. Per Jaden. Why do we love this place so much? I'll show you.
to decide if those are teeth coming out of his throat.
That is so weird.
Look at that. That is weird.
He's a combo of several animals.
Yeah, I mean, he looks like he just totally.
See if he goes in, or sure he may not want in. He might crawl back out.
We hope one of you kids might know what in the world it is.
The weird creature was a batfish. Can you imagine that? It actually walks on those little fins on the bottom of the sea.